A very good morning to all of you students. Today we are going to continue our poem Childhood, that is from the book Hornbill, and this is really a very beautiful poem of Marcus Nathan. And students, you know that the childhood is the most precious period of our life. When we are child, we just really innocent people. We are far from all the type of evils, all the type of worried problems of the life, and we just enjoy the every single moment of it. So here the poet Marcus Nathan, he is really feeling very upset or bad, and because he just want to know that where he has lost his childhood. Actually, the matter is not related only to the poet, but we all also don't know when moment of our life, which moment of our life we just lost our childhood. It's a very beautiful poem close to everyone's heart. So let's continue the very first line. When did my childhood go? The first line of the poem starts with a question. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? क्या कहता है पोएट कि मेरा बचपन कब चला गया? क्या ये वो दिन था जब शायद मैं 11 इयर्स का हो चुका था? ये वो दिन था कि जब मैंने 11 इयर्स कंप्लीट कर लिए थे. एंड वॉज इट द टाइम आई रियलाइज दैट हेल एंड हेवन could not be found in geography. Student, this is not so simple as you are reading it out, because the concept of hell and heaven, that is belong to the good and the evil thought of the poet, that because our parents always say if you do this then God will give you a curse, and if you do that then God will really praise you, God will really uh, bless you for that. So we all the time think that yes, our parents are really, they are telling us a good thing, that of course there is a place that's called a hell and heaven, and it must be in geography, any kind of map maybe for that. But actually, when a child who just became 11 years old, he started to think, he started to understand that there is no any place like hell and heaven. This is just the conception of our mind, and therefore could not be. Was that the day? It means it was the day when I started to realize that there is no place like hell and heaven. Hell and heaven is just a conception of our mind and thought. So when I started to understand these kind of truth, this kind of authentic examples of our life, so I really lost my childhood, my innocence, and my lovely moments of life. In the second stanza, poet is saying that when did my childhood go? Another time he is questioning, was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seem to be? Our adults, really, they are our inspiration, they are really great example for us. They create, they give us, they bless us for their lovely experiences of life. They always guide us for what is right and wrong in our life. But actually they always preach us to follow the path of love. But we really understand that they don't follow the same path themselves. Was it the time I realized that adults were not? हमारे एडल्ट हमें जो गाइड करते हैं, जैसा बनने के लिए एडवाइस करते हैं, दे ऑलवेज से दैट वी शुड लव everyone, we should obey our elders, we should respect every elders, but they themselves fail to follow all of these kind of rules and regulations. So they talk of love, preach of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day when I started to realize that our adults have double face? At one side, they teach us, they preach us the lesson of love, At the other side, they themselves follow the path of hate, the path of abhorrence, the path of dispute, the path of controversy, many kind of differences like religious differences, language differences, the economical and status differences. It means to say, when we started to realize these kind of truth, these kind of virtuality, it means we are not child anymore. Students, I am repeating these lines again. The poet Marcus Nathan, he is really confused. Actually, he is feeling very sad to lose his childhood, because childhood is the most precious moment of our life, such as the spring season. In a year we have so many seasons, such as we have winter, summer, rainy season, but spring is the most beautiful season that makes the whole year really lovely and worthy to live, make all the atmosphere green and beautiful and prosperous. Same here, childhood is really the beautiful season of human being's life. But poet is sad to lost his childhood. He is confused when he has lost it. Either when he became the completed the age of 11 and started to realize that hell and heaven just are imaginary place, and this kind of place are not actually exist on the earth. Second example he is giving here, that our elders all the time guide us that we should always follow the path of love, path of truth, path of non-violence, but actually they don't follow the same path. When a child started to realize these kind of truth of the life, it means he is not a child anymore. So these are really great lines by the poet. We will continue it tomorrow with some questions also. Please do it yourself again, read it again, and tomorrow we will continue.